Danae, Ari of.
Right. Domestic violence, disorderly conduct. I'm going to order you not to go to the victim's residence. No,
Okay.
no alcohol or illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence, and you have to come back to Justice Court on June 18th at 10:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
Yes, will I get a copy of that?
No. And you're released.
Thank you.
What's your name, sir?
Leon.
All right, you have a shoplift with failures to appear out of Justice Court from March of last year. So I am going to appoint Amanda Bynum to represent you, order you not to go back to the incident location, hold you on a $250 bond, and Justice Court will see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. You also have 3 failures to appear. Well, no, I take that back. You have a new shoplift from today. You have a failure to appear on a shoplift from January 24th of this year. And I guess you've got 2 shoplifts from today. So I'm going to hold you on a $250 bond on those, give you a city public defender, order you not to go back to the incident location, and on June 17th at 1:45. And that's it, sir. Did I mark JP in there? Hold this. What's your name?
Winter Farmer.
All right, out of Justice Court, you have 3 shoplifting cases, one from January 2024, one from 3, one from March 2024, and failures to appear on those. So I am going to hold you on a $250 bond, appoint Caitlin Waters to represent you, order you not go back to the incident locations, and Justice Court will see you on those on June 9th, tomorrow at 1 p.m. You also have failures to appear on shopliftings, criminal damage, and drug paraphernalia, and a new shoplift case in city court. So I am going to hold you on a $250 bond on those cases, appoint the city public defender to represent you. No alcohol or illegal drugs, don't return to the incident location, and your court date in city court will be June 17th at 1:45. And that's it, ma'am.
Thanks.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
What's your name?
Esteban Maravilla.
All right, you are charged with driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. I am going to order you not to drive without a valid license, no alcohol or illegal drugs, and you need to come back to Sarita City Court on July 1st at 8:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
Yes.
All right, and you're released.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Go down with the rest of the.
Have a seat, Mr. Felony.
What's your name, sir?
Farewell, Otero.
All right, let's see. I have two new criminal trespasses and a drug paraphernalia for you today. And then you've got multiple failures to appear on a criminal trespass and drug paraphernalia, 2 dockets from 2024, it looks like. So I'm going to hold you on a $250 bond, appoint the city public defender to represent you, no alcohol or illegal drugs, no return to the incident locations. And your next court date will be June 17th at 1:45. And that is it, Mr. Otero.
Good. You can go over there. Go ahead and take it. Okay.
Do I have a public defender and an interpreter?
Spanish interpreter is on the line, Your Honor.
Okay,
And the public defender is here.
okay. What is your name, sir?
¿Cuál es su nombre, señor?
Francisco Manuel Félix Pico.
Francisco Manuel Felix Irqui.
All right, so you're charged with possession of a dangerous drug, possession of a narcotic drug, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
A usted se le acusa de posesión de una droga ilegal, de una droga peligrosa, de una droga narcótica y de administros de droga.
So everyone is agreeing, in spite of the ice hold, that he should be released. Is that true?
Y todos están de acuerdo a pesar de la retención por el Departamento de Inmigración de ICE que debe ser liberado. ¿Eso es cierto?
No, Your Honor, I'm asking for a low bond.
Okay.
Señoría, yo estoy solicitando una fianza de bajo costo.
All right, I agree with that. But, sir, you are eligible. You appear to be eligible to participate in a diversion program called STEP that requires you to participate in a plan specific to your needs for a short time.
Bueno, señor, yo estaría de acuerdo con la fianza, pero sin embargo, usted tiene derecho a participar o está elegible para participar en un programa alternativo que se llama el programa de STEPS, que es un plan específico diseñado para sus necesidades y es a corto plazo.
If you choose to participate and complete the program, these felony drug charges will be permanently dismissed without you ever being formally charged. Are you interested in learning more about the STEPS program at your next hearing?
Bueno, y si usted elige participar en este programa y si usted completa exitosamente el programa, a usted se le van a retirar permanentemente los cargos de delincuir más o que le den más información de este programa en su próxima audiencia.
Pues sí.
Well,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Then And I'm going to appoint the legal defender's office to represent
La llega a pagar, se va a liberar bajo la supervisión de los servicios previos al juicio.
the diversion hearing. The steps hearing will be June 17th at 9 o'clock.
Y la audiencia del programa alternativo de STEPS se va a hacer el 17 de junio a las 9 de la mañana.
And the hearing will be June 18th at 1:30.
Y la audiencia preliminar va a ser el 18 de junio a la 1:30.
And don't post the bond until you talk to your lawyer tomorrow or whenever, because you still have another hold.
Y no vaya a pagar la fianza hasta que usted hable con su abogado.
Okay?
Gracias.
Thank you.
And the interpreter, excuse, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yeah, the interpreter will now disconnect.
Back.
Oh, over there. There you have, stand on.
Antone.
What's your name, sir?
Reggie Nathan Antone.
You are charged with possession of a dangerous drug, possession of drug paraphernalia, and failure to provide your true name. Counsel, states recommending pretrial, but he's got a U.S. Marshal hold. What do you want?
Asking for the low drop.
All right, so, sir, you may be eligible to participate in a diversion program called STEPS that requires you to participate in a plan specific to your needs for a short time. If you choose to participate and complete the program, these felony drug charges in your arrest report will be permanently dismissed without you ever being formally charged. Are you interested in learning more about the STEPS program?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am going to appoint the public defender to represent you. I am going to order you not to possess any alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm gonna hold you on a $500 bond, released to pretrial services if posted. The steps hearing will be June 17th at 9 o'clock. And the preliminary hearing will be June 18th at 1:30. And that's it, sir.
You go back down.
Orange.
What's your name?
Barnes. Yeah, Barnes.
All right, Mr. Burns, you are charged with, from December 7th of last year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 counts of endangerment, felony endangerment, 1 count of felony criminal damage, and a failure to stay at the scene with injuries. And counsel, the bond has a the state's asking for a $2,500 bond. Did you want to be heard?
Your Honor, I think in the probation hold, I was just also going to ask for the amount of the warrant.
Okay. All right, so I will appoint the public defender. No contact with the victims, no alcohol or illegal drugs, don't drive without a valid license, $2,500 bond. Pretrial services if posted, June 16th at 1:30 is the preliminary, I'm sorry, is the arraignment date. And that is it, Mr. Burns.
Thank you.
Sorry, it's okay.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Bellino Timothy.
What's your name, sir?
Timothy Andrew Bellino.
You are charged with 5 counts of theft, 1 count of fraudulent schemes and artifices, and 1 count of trafficking in stolen property. I am going to appoint the public defender to represent you, order you not to return to any of the incident locations, no Home Depots, no contact with any of the victims, no alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to release you to pretrial services and you need to report to them. And your preliminary hearing will be June 30th at 1:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Come on, Mark. Come on. Have a seat, Mark. I got somebody ahead of you.
Your Honor, court interpreter is present.
Oh, we already used one, not you, and we did it already.
Can I speak in that, Your Honor?
Yeah, we did it. We had someone else sign it. It was an interpreter, so
Perfect. They had me doing chores here. Thank you very much.
thanks. All right, what's your name?
Hernandez.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, you're charged with promoting prison contraband, possession of narcotic drugs, possession of drug paraphernalia. I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you, order you not to possess or consume any alcohol or illegal drugs, and release you to pretrial. You need to come back to court June 30th at 1:30, or a warrant will issue for you. Then you
Yes.
have a justice court case, criminal trespass. Failure to not to go back to the incident location and come back to court June 18th at 8:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. And then you also have a new criminal trespass and a shoplift case, same date. Don't go back to the incident location and come back June 18th at 8:30 in justice court. That's it, ma'am.
So you have today. That's a great.
Morris.
What's your name?
Burns Morris.
You're charged with aggravated harassment. And so counsel, looks like he's pending a case, and so the state is offering a bond of $25,000 in lieu of a no bond. Which do you choose?
I have an objection. He has a question. Okay, Your Honor, we took care of it.
Okay, so sir, no acts of domestic violence, no alcohol or illegal drugs, no contact with any of the victims, no return to their home, work, or schools. I'm appointing the public defender to represent you, and I'm going to hold you on a $25,000 bond. And pretrial services, if that is posted, and the preliminary hearing will be June 18th at 1:30.
June 18th.
Yep.
Okay, we'll get it.
Thank you.
Narco Isabel.
What's your name, ma'am?
Isabel Marine Archer.
All right, you are charged with domestic violence, criminal damage, third-degree burglary, and domestic violence aggravated assault. And the state's asking for a $20,000 bond. Counsel, did you want to be heard?
Just briefly, Your Honor, she is 32 and a lifelong resident. She also has a child and she maintains full-time employment. I understand the serious nature of the charges. However, just based on her ability or rather inability to pay, I am asking, excuse me, for a lower bond.
I am going to order you not to have any contact with Joe Eagle Flores, not to return to his residence, no alcohol or illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence. I will appoint the public defender to represent you and hold you on a $15,000 bond, pretrial services if posted. And the preliminary hearing will be June 18th at 1:30. And that is it. Thank you all.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good evening.